This is going to be a demo of the self-serve order feature for Smart Locker. The idea is we're going to take a look at the individual parts of it and see where these benefits are coming from. The first one we'll take a look at is the online order form. This will free up time from telephone and text orders and also reduce errors when a producer is giving their order and also when you're receiving it. So let's see how that works. So the way this works is you could go ahead and click the settings tab and you'll see that there's a cut sheet link and also an order link. So what you can do is you can go ahead and give this order link to a producer or a farmer where they can fill out the number of livestock, the type of service required, slaughter or processing or both. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Let's say you have a customer that would like to fill out an order, or you host this on your website. Let's see what that looks like from their perspective. Okay, so we have the form here. Let's go ahead and fill out an order. Let's say we're going to do one beef. We're going to do slaughter plus processing. We'll do custom exempt. Continue. We'll go ahead and scroll through and find a day that works for us. Let's say we want to do it next Monday or next Tuesday. So we'll go ahead and select Tuesday. We'll go ahead and add in our information. This is the producer's point of view. And we'll click continue. And so if I'm the producer, like maybe I do know all the customers for the animal, but maybe I don't. And the benefit is that you can come back, the farmer can come back to this once they figure out who's going to be the end customer for their animal. So say we don't know who the customer is going to be right now. So we're just going to go ahead and move forward and request an order. Okay, so we see that it was successfully created. And now let's go back to the processor's point of view. So if we go to our schedule, remember we created this order for the 10th, which is next week. Now we can take a look at this order. Let's view this on the orders page. And now we have an option to either accept or decline this order. And we'll go ahead and accept it. Now let's say some time passes and the producer figures out their end customers for their animal. At that point, they can go back to their email and fill in the customer's information rather than calling it in or texting you. So let's see what that looks like from the producer's perspective. So they get this email. Hello, Smart Locker USA here. We're listed as a producer on a recently scheduled order. Please head to the link below to add animal and customer details. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. So let's see what this looks like when we're updating our order to add the customers. And this is gated by phone number. So your producer can simply add in their phone number and they'll be able to access the updated order form. And so this order, if you remember, we had one beef. And so if they have extra information, they go ahead, add that there. And they can click the add customers button. So let's say they have 2 customers and each customer is going to get a half portion. So add another customer. So we got 2 customers, each getting a half, and so we'll see what happens here. So the producer has added in their customers. They'll go ahead and update the order. Okay, we see that it updated successfully. And so now let's go back and see from the processor's perspective what that looks like. Okay. Oh, I'm in the incognito browser. Okay. So now we see that same order previously had no customers. Now we have our two customers, each getting our half sheet. So now when you're ready to go ahead and prompt the customers to fill out their cut sheet, you can click contact options, send a reminder email. You can send a text. For now, we'll just send a text or an email. And now let's go from the customer's point of view, how they fill out their cut sheet. So let's see how that works. Okay, so in the platform, we clicked send reminder email. And so now the customer is receiving this email. Let's see what that says. Dear Jeff 2, hello, Smart Locker USA here. You have cutting instructions to complete for the meat you are receiving. Click the link below to fill them out. All right, so let's see from the customer's point of view how they're going to fill out their cut sheet, which is all attached to the order. Okay, so we go ahead and fill out their information. Next, they would make all their choices for all their cuts. And then let's see how this works out. And then they would go ahead and submit. Okay, so that's how the online order process works from the processor's point of view, the producer, and also the end customer. So as you can see, this whole process is going to free up a bunch of time from taking telephone and text orders. It's going to reduce errors. It's going to allow the farmer to go back and update their order when they find out who their end customers are going to be. It's going to be pretty helpful. Now let's go ahead and look at bulk notifications. Okay, so we've got all the we receive. You can see here the status of the cut sheet. So once you receive it, it flips from draft to received. So let's say we get the cut sheet from the other customer too, and then we start processing this order. So you can move into in progress, you move to partially complete. And then once you go ahead and complete it, you can come in to this order and it's going to bulk notify all the customers, say, hey, the order's complete. You can come pick it up whenever you're ready. You can go ahead and communicate with them to add a pickup date later. So let's go and see what happens. We've cut up the meat. It's ready for pickup from the customers. We'll go ahead and send them an email. Let's see what that looks like. And mind you, I'm just pressing a button. I don't have to send an email to each customer. Okay. All right, so this is the order pickup reminder. Dear Jeff 2, use Smart Locker USA to text and email your customers to avoid phone calls and update them about your orders. Reduce phone calls and late pickups for your policy. Okay, so it looks like we can go ahead and update that policy. Okay, so we go ahead and see here that this communication, that's not what we want to be communicating with our customers. So what we can do to change those communications, we can go click settings. So you're on the schedule page. You click settings, go to communications, and then let's look for the text that we have here. Put your policy. So we'll go ahead and Control F and then search for put your policy. Okay, so we want to update this message that we're sending here. So seeing what we're saying earlier. Okay, so this is the pickup email we sent to customers. So we're going to say, hi. Smart Locker Meats here. Your order is complete and ready for pickup. Give us a call to schedule a day and time. Thanks for your business. Okay, so we want to save that. We'll go to the bottom, save, and then we'll see that it saves. And let's go ahead and resend that. Let's resend that text just to see what that looks like. So we go to the 10th, this order is complete, and we want to view it on the orders page. And we want to send that pickup email. So let's see what that looks like. We see the email was sent. Now let's go take a look. So we get this new email. It says, Dear Jeff 2, hi, Smart Locker Meats here. Your order is complete and ready for pickup. Give us a call to schedule a day and time. Thanks for your business. You also want to add your phone number to this email. So let's add that. Location. All right, we're searching for pickup. Let's see here. Okay. Then we'll say our phone number is 234 456 7890. All right, save that. Let's check and see that that is showing up. So we'll go back to our schedule and find that order again. Remember, we put it on the 10th. Go and take a look at this order. We'll set that pickup reminder email. See it was sent. So let's see what that looks like from the customer perspective. Okay. So now say, Dear Jeff 2, hi, Smart Locker Meats here. Your order is complete and ready for pickup. Give us a call to schedule a day and time. 234 456 7890. Thanks for your business. All right. And the last benefit is a quick view of the day's livestock drop-offs. So the benefit of pushing all of your orders through the system is you have a record of when producers are going to be dropping off your animals. So you can get a quick understanding at the beginning of the day. Okay, I've got 4 drop-offs at 10, 12, and 1. So where we see that view? There. The schedule view. The schedule view allows us to see which drop-offs are happening on which day. When we come in for the day, we can know where we're going to get 1, which animal type. So these are the benefits of using the Smart Locker system. Thanks for watching.